Hello everyone, and today is our first video on Gann theory. So now, what is Gann theory? It is a theory based upon natural geometric shapes and ancient mathematics. According to this theory, we can use the patterns and angles of the stocks to predict the future movements. Using Gann theory, we can predict the movements of the stocks or indices by 90% accuracy. Let's start with the basics of Gann theory. What is Gann angle? In simple words, these are the trend lines at different angles which acts as the measure support and resistance to the stock market. So there are mainly 9 types of Gann angles. The angles are 1 into 8, which is 82.5 degree, 1 into 4, 75 degree, 1 into 3, 71.25 degrees, 1 into 2, 63.75 degrees, 1 into 1, 45 degrees, 2 into 1, 26.25 degrees, 3 into 1, 18.75 degrees, 4 into 1, 15 degrees, and 8 into 1, 7.5 degrees. Now what this 1 into 1 represent? The first one represents the price and the second one represents the time. We can represent this 1 into 1, that is price into time on graph. Price at x-axis and time at y-axis. So 1 into 1 means that 1 unit on x-axis should be equal to 1 unit on the y-axis. So using tan theta formula, that is tan theta equals to y-axis upon x-axis. So tan theta equals to 1 divided by 1. Therefore tan theta equals to 1, which is 45 degree. Similarly, we can find for the other 8 Gann angles. How to draw these Gann angles on chart? First we have to find measure swing high and measure swing low of the chart. As you can see, the measure high is something at 12450 and the measure low is at 7505. Now draw the two horizontal lines, one at the measure swing high and other at the measure swing low. First line at the measure swing high and the other line at measure swing low. Now from the measure swing low, draw one vertical line. Now we have to go to the option of trend line tools and select the option of trend angle. Now at the intersection point, draw a 45-degree trend line. Now go to Gann and Fibonacci tool option and select the option of Gann fan. Place it at the intersection point and make sure that 1 into 1 line overlays the 45-degree line. In this way, we can draw Gann fan. Let's see how Gann fan works. Gann 1 into 1 trend line will act as a measure support and resistances. If prices are above the 1 into 1 line, then it signifies the bull market. If the prices are below 1 into 1 line, then it signifies a bear market. Lines above 1 into 1 line, which are 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 4 into 1, 8 into 1, are considered as resistance trend lines. And the lines below 1 into 1, which are 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4 and 1 into 8 lines, are considered as support lines. Every Gann angles provide support and resistance depending on trend. If any one angle is broken, then expect prices to move and consolidate at next angle. Let's take an example. As we can see on the chart, after breaking the 1 into 1 line, market given 800 points rally, then again started consolidating at 2 into 1. After breaking 2 into 1 resistance, again given 400 points rally, then similarly started consolidating at 3 into 1. This is how Gann works. I will share one strategy on Gann in next video. Like, subscribe and hit the bell button for regular stock market learning.